Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Yes, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a very quick tutorial about how I achieved this look. Like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Better yet, subscribe, comment, share. Yes, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy.
Everybody's gonna win, yeah, yeah. If only you just believe, yeah. Close your eyes and come and see, yeah, yeah. Don't you worry about a thing, 'cause if you were gone, you can't get it if you work. If you strive hard, you can't be just what you want. If you were gone, you can climb the mountain top, 'cause nothing is too small and nothing is too big. Ooh, yeah, me, yeah. Ooh, yeah, me, yeah. Oh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, me, yeah. Le, ooh, oh, sa, oh, come here, yeah. Ooh, yeah, me, yeah. Ooh, yeah, me, yeah. Oh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, me, yeah. Le, ooh, oh, sa, oh, come here, yeah. What my eyes have seen, yeah. Ohun tójú mi ti rí, yeah, yeah. Don't let them tell you you can't, and they won't help you just so you know. Just keep on pushing, oh. If it's a daddy me, oh, day, my day, my too cut down. If it's a mommy me, oh, day, my day, my too cut down. Ori, ori, mi jowo, ori lana come you. Ori, mi mas, yeah, yeah, me, yeah. Ooh, yeah, me, yeah. Oh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, me, yeah. Le, ooh, oh, sa, oh, come here. Ooh, yeah, me, yeah. Ooh, yeah, me, yeah. Oh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, me, yeah. Le, ooh, oh, sa, oh, come here. Oh, I'm in my head, fufu, nene. Yeah, my young father, don't get no pay father. Tani edu la mama, luweleta, mama pata kuya, oduro kwengeza, yeah. Wana pata, shukala musape oku. Wana pe uta, shukala musape oku. Amala chana ye, amala chana ye yo. Aláṣẹ bí kan ò gbọdọ̀ sùn lóye. Mo dúró tì mí lójoojúmọ́. Má jẹ́ kọ́tà kan rí mi jọ̀wọ́. Ibikíbi tó bá ti wù mọ́, mọ̀ pé inú rẹ̀ lórí. Mo ṣe rere láyé mi, á mo ṣe rere lórí. Ijelebe, pem pem, ijelebe, pem pem, ijelebe. Jason, on the I slap police for your case, oh. I go to war for your case, oh. I go to court for your case, oh. I climb the bridge for your case, oh. Enter water for your case, oh. I punch the judge for your case, oh. Anything you want, baby, that's for you, baby. For your case, yo. Fire gas, yo, no. Fire gas, yo, fire gas, yo, no. 'Cause my papa no be Dangote or Adeleke, but we go dey okay, yeah, yeah. But my papa no be Dangote or Adeleke, but we go dey okay, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I go Oshodi for your case. I go slack back baby for your case. I go call MC Oluomo. I go report all of them. I go Oshodi for your case. I go slack back baby for your case. I go call MC Oluomo. If not to so
Hair. So to achieve this look, I use the crochet braids 4 locks for this look. In the pack it's an 18 inches long hair, but I felt 18 inches was too boring for me, so well, I decided to join 18 inches and I got myself 36 inches crochet braids 4 locks. Yes, and the style or method I used was the individual crochet braids method. So I did it individually, as you can see. Go to protective hairstyle for my naturalistic sisters who would want to keep their hair in for some time to have some growth and to prevent their hair from breaking. And also to my permed or relaxed hair sisters, this is definitely for you. I have a relaxed hair and I love this, and I did this because I wanted to protect my hair from the harsh or dry weather. So thank you so much, and I hope this tutorial does you some good. Thank you.
oh, no. Cause my